Hotel Reco in Panglao? Tara, alis tayo! We book our stay at Alona M. Panglao via Agoda. The hotel is 12 minutes away from the airport at 6 minutes away naman sa Alona Beach. Kung gusto nyo lakarin, pwede rin naman. It's around 15 to 20 minutes walk. What we like about this place is that it's very aesthetic, tahimik, tapos super bait din ng mga staff. They accommodate our request at hinayaan nila kami na iwan yung gamit namin kahit mas maaga kaming dumating sa area. The price of the room is 2,000 plus for two with plated breakfast. And you have the option kung Filipino or American breakfast. Meron din pala silang mga contact na rent a car and rent a motorbike if ever na magre-rent kayo ng sasakyan. Katabi lang din pala nito ko yung famous restaurant The Mist. Meron ding other restaurants around the area and konting lakad lang meron na ring mga cafes na malapit. As for the room, merong TV, Netflix, and YouTube ready rin nito. Meron silang private toilet and bath. May in-offer din silang glasses and mugs. So if you want a budget-friendly, family-friendly, barkada-friendly na accommodation, do check out Alona M.